Here I have Samsung Galaxy A05, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. Firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, and after device turns off completely, what you will have to do is to hold down a combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see Samsung logo appeared, you can release all keys and just be patient. So here in the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you should select an option wipe cache partition, then select yes, and after you see the message cache wipe complete, select the first option reboot system now, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.